Think about it. Every single person on this planet, from students to entrepreneurs, is fighting the same weird battle, the battle against time. We've all felt that our days are packed with stuff, but by evening, we realize we didn't actually accomplish anything meaningful. Now, what if I told you there's a simple technique that could separate you from ordinary people and make your focus laser sharp on your work? A technique that over 2 million people worldwide are currently using and claim it completely transformed their lives. But the question is, does it actually work, or is it just another internet hype? Before I answer that question, I want to ask you a few honest questions. Keep the answers in your mind. Question 1. Are you also part of that 75% of people who start every morning with motivation, but by evening feel like they haven't accomplished anything important? Question 2. How many times have you sat at your desk for hours, working or studying, but afterward couldn't say exactly what you accomplished? Question 3. Have you ever felt like time is slipping through your fingers like water and you have no control over it? If you answered yes to at least one of these, I'm glad you're here, because today you're going to learn something that will change these feelings forever. So, what is Pomodoro and where did it come from? The story is fascinating. Francesco Cirillo, an Italian university student in the late 1980s, was having serious focus problems at university. It was getting worse day by day, until one day he realized he had to do something. He went into his kitchen, grabbed a tomato-shaped timer, and said, "Let me see if I can stay focused on my studies for 10 minutes. He tested it so much until he reached the final formula. His final formula is this: 25 minutes of work with complete focus, meaning zero distractions, 5 minutes of real break, not scrolling Instagram. After 4 Pomodoros, about 2 hours, a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Why exactly 25 minutes? Because neuroscience studies show that the human brain can maintain deep focus on one topic for an average of 20 to 30 minutes. After that, it starts getting fatigued. For instance, you want to write a 10-page report. Instead of having a 5-hour continuous sitting session, you divide it into 12 Pomodoros. Each one has a specific goal. Now, let me give you my completely honest opinion, because I've personally worked with this technique for over 3 years. First, it really helps you get started. That initial resistance we always have to begin difficult work becomes much less with just 25 minutes. Your brain says it's only 25 minutes. Second, regular breaks prevent those horrible burnouts. You no longer get that feeling of "my brain is fried." Third, it gives you a sense of control. Instead of feeling like time is taking you along, you're directing time. But there are things I have issues with too. Problem 1. It's not suitable for every type of work. For example, if you're coding and in a flow state, the timer goes off and destroys your entire focus. Problem 2, many people think it's enough to just set the timer. But without planning, Pomodoro is just a regular timer that stresses you out. Problem 3, some tasks need warm-up time, like writing. You can't immediately start writing quality content. Therefore, I suggest you consider Pomodoro as a starting point, not a sacred rule. Adapt it to your needs. Now, if you want to get the maximum benefit from Pomodoro, these tips will help you. Tip 1. Before starting each Pomodoro, spend 2 minutes and specify exactly what you want to accomplish. Not study, but complete Math Chapter 3 and solve 5 exercises. Tip 2. Prepare your environment. Phone on silent, everything you need in front of you, even a glass of water ready. Tip 3. During 5-minute breaks, stay away from phone and internet because your brain needs a real reset, not more stimulation. And here's the golden tip. If you're in flow state during a Pomodoro and work is going well, ignore the timer. The goal of Pomodoro is to help, not to interfere. So here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow, choose a task you've been struggling with for a while. Dedicate 4 Pomodoros to it, just 4. and then come to the comments and tell me what happened. Could you focus? Did your work progress? Or did you get distracted like before? If this video helped you learn a new technique, don't forget to like and subscribe, because every week I bring you another practical technique that will improve your life. Remember, you don't need more time, you need better management. See you in the next video.